Hey, good morning, guys. Sorry I got a bit late. But anyways, just want to quickly start with, we are having a small flat opening, 43,948, and 44,000 is the level of resistance. So let's see where the price opens. But structurally, we are still in a bearish nature, and 44,000 is the zone where I'm expecting supply to again come in. So the market has opened. We are seeing the price developing lower. My algo is telling to buy. If we look from the order flow perspective, so we did had a zone or an area or a level where the supply was present, and that's where the rejection came in. Now what we have is we have got some trapped supply or trapped sellers at the low of the day, and overall we are still developing below the previous week's high. So I'm expecting the price to continue lower. Let's see from the OI data, 44,000 is the level where a lot of call positions have been created. Calls are selling, puts are buying. So that's the level, and we are still just developing in this choppy range. I'm expecting the price to go lower. Failure to take this particular low will indicate that the supply has shut off. So right at the moment we are developing below previous day's close. We also tagged the previous day's low, and just to explain you from the context perspective, right? So what I'm doing is I'm just hiding the market profile chart and the candlestick chart. So what we are seeing is we are in a sort of a balance. So this is a 2-day balance, Monday and Tuesday, and this is again a 2-day balance of Thursday and Friday. So this is where the buyers or the supply is shutting off, and this is where the supply is currently present. So if I bring in the the market profile chart, so what we see is we are just developing in this particular range. Okay. Now the short covering has started, so I was looking for price to develop above this, and it is developing. And so what has happened is it failed to take out the low of yesterday, so the previous day's low, and now it is slowly and steadily developing higher. A short covering is seen. So 44,000 is the level to observe. So this is that 44,000 area where I'm looking for supply to again come in and see how the price is getting developed. Okay, so we are developing above the previous week's high. We are having some short covering rally. If you see from the print, no big seller, so supply is not there. Supply is pretty non-existent. I'll just mark the gaps, unfinished auctions. And we also got a trapped sellers. Okay, so now some supply is seen, supply is coming in. It will retrace. So this is a good location to take a long trade, because backfilling is happening for the moment. So I'm expecting some buying activity to happen at this level at 43,904 or 43,900. If I don't see buying here, it means that okay, supply has again came in. But looking at the current numbers, the point of control is way below. So if you see this, the supply is shutting off at this level. So 43,900 is the zone where of max pain and where a lot of put options have been written. So this is an immediate support zone. This is a good opportunity to buy a few quantities to test what is happening. So to test the market generated information, and yeah, let's see whether we see, yeah, so we're just chopping here, that's fine. But failure of price to move lower is indicating or is giving you market generated information that we are seeing lack of supply. And this is also a level, from the higher time frame, or from a positional perspective, the price is looking below, and there's lack of continuation. There's no follow through, so we are still developing higher. And here also, so we have got, okay, so we have a resistance level here and we have a support level here. So yeah, so I think I'll wait for this particular range, so from 44,000 to 43,800. So this is a 200 point range where the positions are being created. Okay, so it is trying to break. I'm looking at the OI data, and this is going to act as a level of support, 43,900. So let's see whether it acts as level of support or not. We do have got some trapped buyers. Supply is definitely seen, but those are not big numbers. So I'm just removing this. So what has happened is we found supply. So this is the 2-day balance. We found supply, and now the price going lower. If the price is going lower, then we should have continuation, and this is the zone where we would see the supply getting shut off. Yeah. So wait for 43,800 to break, and then we can have a good downfall, because this is also a single, not a single print zone, but we have a spike, or we have an excess here. So this is the zone where the supply got shut off. So we have broken the 43,900 level. Now, so this is a continuation candle to the previous one. So let's see. I'll be looking at the close of this candle to get more clarity. Okay. So my supply zone indicator is telling me that we are seeing lack of supply, and even the algos are telling me that this is a good opportunity to buy. And see the supply really getting shut off, and now again the price is moving higher, and now we are having a sort of a short covering move. Yeah, so that's how you have to wait for the right opportunity and then take the trades. So what I shared earlier is I'll be waiting for this candle to close. So if we don't see continuation, then we would see a short covering towards the 44,000 level, because that is the zone where supply is present, is gonna come in. So right now what we are seeing is a short covering move, and from the print, yes, so the buyers are coming in now. They are showing their hands. So you can take a long trade, keep your stop loss below this, or you can take long one, take long another one here, keep your stop loss at 43,904 or 43,900, because I'm expecting supply to shut off and at least reach the 44,000 level, because this is where the stops are being built currently, and also at 44,000 level, this is the area where a lot of call positions are eagerly getting built or written. Okay, so we broke out of this range, so this range of 800 to 900, this 100-point range. Let's see, so now the price is still trying to break. So we have a lack of continuation. The close is in green, or in positive. Now we should have continuation to the higher side. So this is the zone 43,950, 43,980 and 44,000. So these are the areas where I'm looking for supply to again come in and show their hands. Okay, so I'm just eagerly waiting and watching, and supply is definitely coming in, but we have this support zone from the print. So let's just wait and watch. That's the game, that's the name of the game. Yeah, you saw the short covering now, which is happening. Look at this. So it failed to look below, and we are having a good short covering rally now. Okay, so we are having continuation, and supply is definitely shutting off. So if you are in a long trade, you can exit, or you can start trailing your SL, because again this is the zone where again supply will be reinitiating their trades. So we are heading towards the resistance zone, so that's what I'm saying. So supply is currently been seen. Also from the print we are able to decode that is it a buyer or is it a seller who is coming in. Okay, so let me just refresh this chart here. Okay, so we are just one time framing higher. We are developing out of monthly balance. That's fine. So we are entering the zone where the supply is present. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, be careful. So if you see, the supply is now definitely coming in. And see, that is the reason why I was telling you, see, the supply is now coming in. So now it will try to shake out the weak hand buyers. So what has happened is we have again entered into the previous range. So we are seeing lack of continuation of the previous move. And now here again some supply is getting absorbed. Still, a minute and 50 seconds left. I would not be looking to enter a trade, because now I'm seeing supply is getting strong and I'm looking for lower price action development. So if this level breaks, I'll just wait, but I'm seeing more of supply getting shut off. I'm waiting for this particular level to be broken. So this candle is a 60-point move, which is happening on a 3-minute time frame. Yeah. So it is trying to break now. I'll be looking to take a put trade. Any up move now will be a chance to re-enter the put trade. Now I'm looking for the price to tag the yesterday's low. So the up move is happening. I'll be entering to take a put trade. And the reason for why I'm saying is because this is the zone where supply is present, and this is the zone where demand is present, or supply is getting shut off. So what has happened is the price reached higher, supply came in, and now they are pushing the price lower. So I'm waiting for this candle to close below 43,900 and look for continuation. Yep, it's not doing it. So it failed to move close below it. So this is giving me a hint that so I'll be again looking for some supply to again come in, because for me this is a resistance zone. This is where again the people who got trapped here, they are the ones who are providing the supply. Okay, now I'll scratch that trade and take a call, took a long trade, because now nope, it's still failing. It's going higher, it's still failing. Now you can take a call trade. Keep your stop loss at 904. And the stop loss is hit. Again, supply is reinitiating their position, so you can look for a put trade now. Keep your stop loss above 43,922, and now the fall will be happening. I'm waiting for this fall. Yeah, so such trades are really tricky in terms of managing the risk. If you are clear in terms of where's your stop, then it becomes very easy. So even if you lose, you follow your plan. Failure to do that is going to incur you more losses. So now you see the supply is again coming in. Now I'm looking for continuation, and what I'm doing is I'm just using the market generated information. I'm not doing anything more. I'm just using the print, using the structure, and using my levels. So now what is happening is it's still not closing below the 900 level. Yeah, 43,900 level, and we are still having a short covering move. So again, the puts stop loss is hit. Okay, I'm just waiting for this candle to close now. So it hit again, now it hit our stop loss, and now it is again developing lower. Okay. So the candle is closed above 900. This can be a good opportunity to take a long trade, because two times the price failed to close below 900 level. So that is a bullish sign, and supported by the stacked buyers. They are gonna add more fuel, and they are gonna push the price higher. And these buyers are nothing but the shorts who are trapped here. So it will hit now the 80 level and the 44,000 level. Okay, so let's just observe this. Let's just watch this. I'm just going on mute, and we'll just observe, because the price is just chopping around, but I am seeing structurally it's more of a bullish nature. So let's see whether my analysis or my thesis or my understanding of the market is correct or not. Okay, so what has happened is the price moves failed to move higher, supply is now again coming in, and now it is going to shake out the folks. So we are just chopping in this wide range. Again, I'm looking for the print, so this level to act as a level of resistance. So failure to move above again came lower. Now again it is trying to move up. So this supply, the supply will be coming in from this folks. But how many times the price is not? So another data point which I'm looking at is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times the supply are trying really hard, but the close is not below 43,900. And why is that so? Yeah. So I'm looking at the change in OI and the open interest and the max pain. So 43,900 is the zone where a lot of put positions are getting created and are getting built. So very difficult market to trade at the open. Ideally, we should have a continuation to the higher side. We have this gap, so I'm looking for all these things to be get cleared today, because these are some anomalies, which market. So there are anomaly on the upper end, there are anomalies on the lower end. We also have got trapped buyers and multiple gaps at the lower end. So let's see, because right now failure of price to move above this and continue will lead to more downfall to the downside. So again, the fifth time the close is above 43,900, but I would be looking to sell again, and the reason is the price is now, the futures price is developing below this level. So for me, this is the stop loss. Okay, so I'm now looking for this candle to close below 43,900. If that happens, then the buyers will be the ones, and the who will be trapped, and the supply will be coming in. So I'm looking for a big red candle towards the previous day's low, because that's where the liquidity is present, and also at 43,800 level. So let's see whether this candle is going to shake them out or not. Okay, so we are hitting the stop losses now. We are seeing a big down move. This move is of 73 points. So this is going to close below the 900 level. So this is a confirmation candle. So if I'll still wait for this candle to close, and any move up to the 900 level, retracement till this level is going to be a good area or a trade location to short the market. But yeah, let's see, or buy puts. So we are having continuation now, and I'm looking for a big fall, even though the algos is telling me to buy, add positions positionally. So this was the one good trade which I was able to spot, decode the market, and 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 times our stop loss got it, and this one good trade has helped to recover those 5 stop losses. It's having good continuation. So the candle has closed below 43,900 level. This is a confirmation to add a short or buy a put. Any retracement to the 900 level is a good opportunity to buy, add more puts. But yeah, because I'm looking for the previous day low to be tagged. So now I'm looking for supply to show their hands. I'm not seeing good supply coming in. Delta is pretty flat, just 500. So it is moving towards the resistance zone. So this is an opportunity to again add more puts. Now this candle should close below. If it closes above 900, then this trade has failed. Yeah, and then I'll be looking to exit. So this candle's close is very important. Okay, so supply is coming in. You see this supply is definitely coming in from the price action. And we are at a zone, 895 is an important level. So I want this close to be below 895. Where is the supply? I'm not looking good supply coming in. Okay, supply is coming in now, and you can start trailing once this candle low is broken, because that is a sign of continuation. So 895 is my level. It should go. I want this candle to close below that. Here it is just developing sideways. I just close that chart. 3, 2, 1. So it has closed below it. Now I'm looking for continuation because we are having continuation. Supply is spotted. Okay, so just observe this, and I'm looking for the previous day low to be tagged and the 43,800 to be tagged, because there is the liquidity present. Yeah, obviously there are stops here, but odds are higher that more stop loss orders or limit orders are getting created at this level. So observe this. You see the fall has now started. Okay, and now supply is also coming in. Okay, so that is the one good trade, which has made my day. Now it will be clearing the tagging the low. Okay, so thank you again, and I'll connect with you again tomorrow, and have a safe day. Yeah, thank you.